Hi, so now I think you have must started drawing something in AutoCAD. Still, if you have any doubt in 2D drawing, you can ask. In this video, we will learn about the isometric views. Isometric projection is a method of visually representation three-dimensional object in two-dimensional in technical and engineering drawings. So it means that isometric object is like look like a 3D object, but it's not 3D, it's a 2D object. So you can see this is a box. It looks like a 3D, but it's not 3D, it's a 2D object. I think you must have drawn this type of box on paper. It looks like 3D because it has three axes, like one is X, then Y, and in vertical direction it's Z. But the actual isometric is, see, there is a particular angle in isometric is 30 degree and 30 degree, and the middle side is 120 degree, both inclined lines. AutoCAD also works on this method. So by using isometric views, you can give a realistic views to your drawing. So as you can see here, there is two drawings. One is a interior of a room and another is a machine component. So you can see that it gives a feeling of realistic object. So how to make isometric drawings in AutoCAD? Let's see. So now we are in AutoCAD. So as you can see that our cursor, it looks like a plus sign. So it means we are in orthographic projections now. So to change this in isometric view, just go to tools and select isometric view, drafting settings. Here go to snap and grid and change the snap type from rectangular snap to isometric snap and OK. So now you can see that the shape of cursor is changed. Here one is vertical, that shown in green, and another line in red, that is at particular angle. The angle of that is 30 degree. This drafting setting option you also can get from this drafting setting. Just go to snap mode or grid, right click and settings, and you can select from here also. So as we have already selected this, just OK. So as you can see here that there is in cursor one vertical line is and one is at angular, that is 30 degree. So by pressing F5 key we can change this angle. So this is how we can change the angle of isometric lines. So now let's make some geometry. Select line and define a point. So in isometric, ortho mode should be on every time. So just press F8 here. So now you can see the line is at angle or the another line is at in vertical direction only. So by pressing F5 we can change the direction of line. Now one is vertical and another is left side angle. Then now both line are at angular, no vertical line here. So by this we can change the orientation of lines. So suppose first I am giving a dimension here, suppose 500 length, then width of rectangle is 250 or 300, then again 500, sorry, just undo 500 and left side 300. So suppose this is our top view or top face. Again go to line, select corner or vertex, just press F5 because we need a vertical line here. Now 250 length in vertical direction, then press F5. In this side it's 300, then upside is 250. Okay, then again select line, select this vertex, press F5. Now on this side suppose it's 500. Okay, then for upside press F5 again and is 250. Okay, so this is how we can make any object here. So this is isometric. So now suppose if you want to make a circle here on this face. So as you can see that if we select this circle, direct command, and if you want to make this circle here, so it's not a correct method to draw a circular shape in isometric view. So for using circle in isometric, just type EL ellipse and press enter. So now here is one option is iso circle. Select this iso circle option, define center point. So now you can see that this circle is just parallel to the face. So by pressing F5 you can change the orientation of circle also. Okay, so as we are making this circle on this face, so this is the right orientation for this. So I am defining the radius 150, enter. Now TR double enter, trim this object. So this is how we can make any object in isometric. So for completing this, just draw a line from here and F5. This is 300 and upside is 250, and select line again, select this vertex, press F5 and select this vertex and use trim command for trimming line. Okay, if you want to move this circular shape at this point, just we can use copy, select object, enter, select center point and click on this center point and trim. So now our isometric object is complete. So this is how we can make any object in isometric or any type of geometry we can make. It look like say 3D, but it's not 3D. How? I'm just rotating this object like this. It's a flat. There is no Z. If you see that here in Z plane, there is no depth in this object. So it's just a 2D drawing, but seems like a 3D object. So that was in the isometric. Let's do the rest in our next classes. Thank you.